That's why you get it on the sale, because they're like $3 and something. You don't get it at full price because your 6-year-old is going to play with. Okay. Hello, ladies and gentlemen. This is Amber coming to you with the Frag, coming to you with another video and review. And today, guys, we had to do it. Your sis had to do it. SAS is here. So these are some of the items that I got just recently, and let's talk about it. Welcome back, my family. Welcome back, sis, bruh, uncle, cousin, auntie. Welcome back to the channel. Honey, I know, look, I'm a little channel, at this time. I pray to grow more and more, but honey, we are almost at 100 in the family. Come on through. I am so proud of us. Guys, if you are new, welcome to the family. Would love to have you subscribe, comment down below, give me the thumbs up, and let's just chat in the comments. And I would love to get to know you more. But if you all have come back to the channel, thank you so much for your support, and let's get into it. Family went to SAS. So let me start with some basics, foundation. Your sis has been a little, I don't want to say mad, but very disappointed, okay? If you are into Bath and Body Works, you know that the sale was supposed to actually, or the SAS sale, which is the semi-annual sale. They normally have 2 of them that come a year. And this is the time it's a sale, so it's the time to get your bath products or your fragrant mist, fine fragrant mist products, bath wash, anything that you wanted to get but you were waiting for a sale. This is the time to do it. If you are not new, you know that it was supposed to happen on this coming Monday, so tomorrow. I'm filming this Sunday. So tomorrow, the 13th, we were supposed to have the semi-annual sale. And your sis, don't judge me, took off of work. Don't judge me. Okay, there's other people out there like me. I took off of work because I was going to plan. I had the whole day planned, right? I was going to go to multiple stores. I was excited. I did it last year. Actually, last year was my first experience doing the multiple stores for a semi-annual sale. Normally, I did it on a smaller scale, but last year I kicked it up a notch. I was like, let's see what this is all about. So I went to multiple stores last year. Honey, I planned, I took off of work, and you all, Bath and Body Works, decided to change the date to Saturday when a sis was working. Honey, don't ask. I have multi-jobs. Don't ask. But I was working this weekend, so I couldn't partake in the first day. So I was pretty disappointed. But I did participate in the online for SAS. So I do have some online purchases that are coming. So I will let you all view those when they arrive. And I will add on to that online order with anything from tomorrow that I get. Okay, so you'll see everything that I get. I plan on not really spending a lot because I have a lot. So I'm really trying to be strategic with what I'm getting, okay? But your sis went to the store today, and I'm trying to get this video out, trying to get this done real quick because your sis is going back out to hit up another mall. So I hit up the mall that's closest to me, which I live in a little area, so I wasn't expecting much. But I was very disappointed. Even though I wasn't expecting much, I was very disappointed. So I'm hoping that when I go back out that I'm able to find a little bit, a little more finds that I've seen other channels and other people discuss about their SAS experience. So far, it's been disappointing. But again, I'm going to, on Monday, go to about 8 stores. Yeah, we're lucky in Tennessee. We got multi-stores. So I'm going to be in Franklin, I'll be in Murfreesboro, Smyrna area, Goodlettsville. If you're familiar with Tennessee, you know all the areas I'm talking about. So I'm going to hit them all. And I'm going to Lebanon. It's going to be my first stop because that's our outlet, our real outlet, Bath and Body Works out there. So that's going to be my first stop, and then I'll go from there. But let me show you all what I got from today, okay? So I did get this new collection that came out. It is the Afternoon Sunshine, okay? I did like this, and it has golden peaches, crisp apple, and white woods. This is a really good one. I did enjoy it at first sniff, so I'm excited about this. I'm going to go quick, guys, because I told you I'm going back out. I'm going back out and do a little bit more shopping. Oh, and also to add, I saved my 20% off coupon that expires today. So your sis did, I did good. Okay, so this is Cozy Evening. This has lavender blooms, fresh freesia, and cozy musk. So this was also a favorite of mine. I did enjoy this when I first sprayed. I actually enjoyed this more than this, and I don't know, it's just because of the weather or maybe because it's hot and I'm looking really more for citrus fragrances. I don't know, but they're both good. Both good picks, okay? I don't need not another soap. Time out. I don't need not another soap. If I bring another soap in this house, I might put myself out of my own house. Okay, I got another soap. I got another soap. But this smells so good. This is Carnival Kettlecorn. And it smells like popcorn. And caramel. It smells like caramel popcorn. This is a good one. I actually might get me another one. My daughter, 6-year-old, she be playing. She be playing with this stuff. So that's why you get it on the sale. Because they're like $3 and something. You don't get it at full price. Because your 6-year-old is going to play with... Okay. I got this one, and I also got the Fruit Loop one. It's not called Fruit Loop. I forgot what it's called, but I also have that. That one I got online, okay? So this is a good one. I probably will get another one of those. I did get the body cream of Vanilla Mocha. You already know. If you're new to the channel, hi, my name is Amber, and I'm addicted to vanilla. Okay, so this one, really good. I did not have the body cream, so I had the spray. So I ended up just getting the body cream. So excited about that. I believe this was the refreshment or champagne. I don't know, some collection. But it's the Pear Creme Brulee. This one I got in the lotion. And I normally don't get lotions. I like a body cream just because I like a thicker consistency than a lotion. But the lotion, I was told, lasts longer than the cream. Whatever. I still do like a good body cream than a lotion. But I did get the lotion because I do have a lot of pear scent that I am wearing for the spring, summer. And so, well, spring's about to end. But that I'm wearing for the summer. And, I think this was like $3. It was in there 75% off. I did get another, I have one, but I did get another white t-shirt body cream because I don't know if this is going to come back. This is a very fresh, cozy t-shirt. Like, this is everything. If you are into fresh, kind of cottony, smelling scents, this is everything. Sis, auntie, like, pick this up. Grandma, like, pick this up. Really good, okay? So I picked up another one of those. And then I did get Beach Nights lotion. So I do have the Beach Nights spray, fine fragrance mist. I picked up the lotion. Now, I was this close in picking up the shower gel. But if you have been rocking with me since the beginning or have viewed my other videos, I have told you all that I have sensitive skin. So I can't always indulge in a lot of things that I would like to. So I do have a lot of shower gels, which, Merry Christmas, you're probably getting them for Christmas, okay, family? All right. But I have a lot of shower gels that kind of strip my skin, and I don't like to use often. So I was this close to getting a shower gel, but I was like, Amber, no, you know that it doesn't always work for you. So I did get the lotion, because that's the only thing that they had else. But I would love to have like a moisturizing body wash. Bath and Body Works. I know you're not thinking about your sis, because I only, my little channel. But if somebody knows somebody that knows somebody that knows somebody, tell them, like, a moisturizing body wash. We love those. Can every scent have a moisturizing body wash? Like, why can't that happen? Why we always gotta have shower gels? I mean, I love the ones that can use the shower gels, and hey, this is your cell. But there's some of us that can't always use those shower gels. I would love to have more options in the moisturizing body wash. Just saying. Okay. Then, let me tell you, this is a little story time. Okay, so I'm picking out, like, roaming around what I want to get. An associate was looking at the shower gel of this. So this is the bubblegum pop. And she said, she smelled it right next to me and said, oh yeah, I think my niece would like something like this. So am I the niece? Am I the niece? Am I too old to get this? I don't care. I don't care. It smells just like bubblegum. It smells just like bubblegum. If you don't like a bubblegum, you are not going to like this. Don't pick this up. Like, the packaging itself speaks for what, and it smells just like bubblegum. It's very, like, even cotton candy. Think of cotton candy smell. This is cotton candy. But I picked it up. I mean, I like it. I don't mind. I love a sweet. Y'all know I'm a gourmand lover. I love a sweet cakey cotton candy. I like that smell. Just saying. It smells like one of those, was it double mint? No, the bubble, the one that's in the container, the little, the pink one. That's always hard. We always get it like on expired. It was like the 10-cent. Okay. Whatever that was, that's what it smells like. Okay. Moving on. So the last thing I got was a candle. So I actually purchased maybe about 3 or 4 candles online. So you'll see those. But everybody keeps talking about this pink Petal tea cake. And so I was like, it smells really good, very sweet. I don't know if it's going to smell up my entire house, but I'm excited to try it, and I'll get back to you all on if it does. Now, I will say, that sour melon that I was talking about in my last video, that the green packaging candle from Bath and Body Works, that thing is going to stay sold out. That thing fills up the entire house, and it smells so good. It is watermelon on top of watermelon. Highly recommend. And it's not going to be on SAS. I don't know why I'm mentioning it to you all. They definitely taking it off the site. It's not for y'all. They want full price because y'all we loving it. So But side note, that one's really good. So I'm excited to try this, okay? So that is all that I purchased. And so let me give y'all my total. And again, I said I had the 20% off coupon. So everything came to $53.60. Okay, so a total discount of $89.55. So who ain't shopping the SAS sale? Why aren't y'all getting out your house like me? Y'all better be on the road. But guys, real quick, nothing to do with SAS, right? But I stopped at Ulta. We're going to get into it deeper about my Ulta experience because they also have a Michael Kors sale, 50% off going on. Get there. I don't know how long the sale's going. I don't know by the time you see this video if it's gone. Go get you a $30, $32 fragrance of Michael Kors. Okay. But Juvia's Place, Nubian Lash Egypt. I got the Egypt one, medium volume. Okay? Y'all ain't tell me that Juvia's Place had lashes. I love me Juvia's Place. And it's a black-owned business. I love it. Yo, sis got them on now. Now, I'm not a professional putting on lashes and makeup. Like, that's not me. I'm not a makeup artist. I just try my best. That's all I can say. I try my best. Okay? But these lashes, honey, I need some more. I need some more. And they have this Cleopatra lash one. It's like high volume or something. Beautiful. Y'all get to an Ulta or shop on their actual website and get you some lashes because they are really good. And they have the glue that goes with it. Okay? Sorry, guys. Side note. But I will be back probably with just one more video of SAS, again, when my online packaging comes in, and then I'm going to do what I plan to do on Monday. I might get a couple of things from there, and so we'll do another haul. But, guys, thank you so much for tuning in. Thank you so much for supporting my channel. I love you guys, for real. Like, y'all are my family. Like, I am enjoying myself. So, again, subscribe to your sis. We are all family. I don't care color. We are all family. We don't see any of that here. So subscribe, comment down below. Give me a thumbs up if you are interested. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye, guys.